SmartSense is sponsored by A+ Federal Credit Union.
Hi, I'm Erica Brennis with SmartSense. Okay, October is a very important month if you are a college student or the parent of a college student. We're going to talk about financial aid. Priscilla from A+ Federal Credit Union is joining me now to let you know what you need to know.
Beginning October 1st, students can begin submitting their free application for federal student aid, also known as FAFSA, for the next academic year. Need and merit-based financial aid is awarded based on this application, and states and colleges tend to use it too for their award decision.
Okay, so do all students need to complete this?
Yes, all students should complete this to receive financial aid. I would encourage them to complete this as soon as possible. We also want to ensure that we're preparing our documents, so gathering our income and bank statements, as well as those of our parents if we're considered a dependent student.
Okay, Priscilla, good to know, and thank you so much for joining us. We'll see you again soon. For more information and tips, visit aplusfcu.org/smartsense.